Recent Russian aerial barrage has shattered 4-month calm in the Ukraine capital, Kyiv, and several other cities. Responding to the massive onslaught of missiles and drones on Ukraine, Germany's defense minister has said the first of 4 promised IRIS-T SLM surface-to-air missile systems will arrive in Ukraine over the next few days. German Defense Minister Christine Lambrecht had said in a statement, "The renewed rocket fire on Kyiv and the many other cities makes it clear how important it is to deliver air defense systems to Ukraine quickly. Russia's missile and drone attacks primarily terrorize the civilian population. This is why we're now supporting them with anti-aircraft weapons in particular. In the next few days, the first of 4 state-of-the-art ones will be up to effectively protect the people of Ukraine." As per the latest update, Germany has made good on the promise and has transferred the first one. Ukrainian Defense Minister Alexei Reznikov hailed the first delivery and tweeted, "A new era of air defense has begun in Ukraine. IRIS-Ts from Germany are already here." In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how delivery of German-made IRIS-T SLM would go a long way in protecting Ukraine. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. Use the code DEFENSE at the checkout to get an extra month free for the 2-year plan. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The IRIS-T SL, surface-launched, is a mobile, medium-range, surface-to-air guided missile designed and developed by Diehl BGT Defense to meet future medium-range air defense needs of the German Air Force. The new missile is effective against all types of aircraft: helicopters, cruise missiles, guided weapons, air-to-surface missiles, anti-ship missiles, anti-radar rockets, and large-caliber rockets. It also has a high probability of kill against unmanned aerial vehicles, unmanned combat aerial vehicles, and other small maneuvering threats at very short and medium-range distances. IRIS-T SL is an advanced version of the IRIS-T air-to-air guided missile, which entered service in December 2005. There are different models of the IRIS-T SL. 1. A short-range version, firing missiles out to 8 miles or 13 kilometers. It's known as the IRIS-T SLS, meaning short-range. 2. A medium-range model with a 25 or 40-kilometer reach. It's known as IRIS-T SLM, meaning medium-range. This is the one Germany is providing to Kyiv. A single system has a truck-mounted radar, a mission control truck, 3 launcher trucks with 8 missiles each, and supply and service vehicles. The vertical-launched, lightweight, interoperable IRIS-T SLM missile can be launched by the IRIS-T SLM missile launchers. It can also be integrated with the existing and future air defense systems of allied forces using a plug-and-fight data interface. It can engage multiple targets simultaneously. The guided missile is stored in a fiberglass fortified canister, which is also used for transport and launch. The IRIS-T SLM launcher vehicle can deploy up to 8 missiles. The missile has a pre-fragmented warhead and offers 360-degree defense against air attacks in homeland defense or international missions. The missile is propelled by an advanced rocket motor fitted with an integrated thrust vector control system. The IRIS-T SLM missile is equipped with a global positioning system (GPS) and inertial navigation system (INS) technology for autonomous navigation. A radio frequency or RF data link is incorporated to transmit virtual target data from an external radar to the missile during the flight. A high-precision passive infrared seeker is incorporated to provide missile guidance, increased countermeasure resistance, and high target accuracy. The missile's compact control section incorporates motor drivers, 4 independent fin-lock devices, close-loop position control, power conversion, and self-test capability. It offers enhanced position accuracy and high reliability. The control section also has high torque capability, enabling it to pursue fast and agile targets like a modern fighter jet. The missile is equipped with an 11.4 kilogram or 25-pound high-explosive fragmentation warhead. IRIS-T SLM has very good ECM resistance and flare suppression. It's interesting to note that during the Monday morning missile strikes, the German Foreign Ministry said a large building housing a German consulate in Kyiv was damaged. However, it added that the office had not been used since the war broke out. German Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock had said that Germany would do everything it can to help quickly bolster Ukraine's air defenses. Baerbock wrote on Twitter, "It's despicable and unjustifiable for Putin to bombard large cities and civilians with missiles." While Ukraine has been able to hold off Russia from achieving air superiority using the aging Soviet-era air defense arsenal, the state-of-the-art German system will add a much-needed boost. The IRIS-T SLM is able to intercept fast-moving and miniature targets, such as air-to-air and surface-to-air missiles, and air-to-surface and surface-to-surface missiles and rockets, UAVs and drones, and cruise missiles, apart from fighter jets and bombers. It's an ideal solution for Ukraine and would go a long way in protecting it from further Russian attacks.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.